Do I have to move from in my command from the original place from home to Smart Aquaculture?
You're talking about
about OpenShift local GitOps. No, yeah.
Okay.
No, the Compute GitOps.
Compute GitOps. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're going to use that directory here because we're going to clean up the GitOps. So have a terminal open to Compute GitOps because we're going to git pull. But first, we need to make some changes. So if we look at our GitOps for the Compute platform and the Smart Aquaculture platform, there's a few ArgoCD applications that are out of sync. Keycloak app setup is out of sync, and Solar Operator is out of sync, and Solar CRDs, it's currently synced, but sometimes gets out of sync. And then Vault Operator and Vault Setup are out of sync. So these applications are actually okay and healthy, but we don't want them to show out of sync anymore. So let's try to troubleshoot these. If I go to Keycloak app setup and I click on out of sync, let's just see what is out of sync. So this is the diff. Spec external access enabled. Okay, so let's check in our course what's going on here. So I go to Compute GitOps and search for this phrase, external access.
In my VS Code.
Yeah, do you have a VS Code open to Compute-GitOps?
Is open to Smart Aquaculture Developer.
Okay, so you can either add Compute-GitOps to your workspace by doing file add folder to workspace, or you can open a new window for Compute-GitOps. It's up to you.
Okay. What's the name? Computate?
So it's in your local src directory. It's Compute-GitOps.
I will find it. No, that's not Compute Smart Cloud Deployer. SRC?
Yeah, go into src.
Compute GitOps.
Yeah, Compute-GitOps. You see it?
Yep.
So you can add that folder to workspace?
Yeah.
Okay.
OpenShift.
All right.
Application.
So then to find the spec that's having a problem, press Control-Shift-F to find in files, or you can go to Edit, Find in Files.
Hang on, because I had it, but I can't see it in my...
So try to shrink things in your Explorer.
Oh, yes, I see Computed GitOps.
Okay, good.
I go to OpenShift local? No.
Well, Control-Shift-F or Edit, Find in Files. And then search for external access with a capital A and a colon.
Hang on. External access. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Because I don't have external access. I don't see it. Okay, when I'm in Configured GitOps, I go where? So
OpenShift,
there are three OpenShift local, playbooks, and roles.
OpenShift local, keycloak.
OpenShift local, keycloak. Oh yeah.
Yeah, OpenShift local, keycloak, app setup, keycloaks.
App setup.
App setup, keycloaks.
No, I don't have it. I have config maps, jobs,
Oh,
role
oh,
binding.
oh, okay. So open a new terminal, new terminal. Open it to the Computate GitOps directory,
Yeah.
and then do git pull.
Oh yeah.
Does it pull some changes?
A lot.
Okay. Yeah, this has been under rapid development. Okay, now you should be able to find it in keycloaks, keycloak.yaml. It's kind of buried deep.
Okay, I'm in keycloak, app setup,
Yeah, app setup, keycloaks,
keycloak,
keycloak,
keycloak YAML.
keycloak.yaml.
Yeah, that YAML. And
Yeah,
customization YAML.
choose the keycloak.yaml. Do you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, click in there. So it says external access on line 10.
Yeah. Enable true.
Yeah.
External database.
Okay. Now, what we need to do is check if this keycloak custom resource definition has a field called external access. So the way that we do that is in our terminal, we type OC space explain space keycloak.
Hang on.
Yep.
OC space.
Explain
Explain.
space keycloak.
Space. Yeah.
Keycloak
Keycloak.
dot spec dot
SP,
spec
SPEC. Speak. Oh. EC. Yeah, speak.
spec dot external access with an uppercase A and explain. So to me, it tells me field external access does not exist. If I run the same command, except I take off dot external access and just do oc explain keycloak dot spec, it tells me the things that are supported.
Okay, he's telling me error field external access. Oh, but access has to C.
Yeah.
I have to write it again. Oh.
Well, external access does not exist, and
Yeah.
neither does external database. So
Okay.
I think that we're using a newer version of Keycloak than I'm used to, and those fields no longer exist. If,
So,
uh-huh. So we can actually delete these because that's what ArgoCD was complaining about. We tried to apply external access, but it's not part of the Keycloak operator custom resource definition for Keycloak, and so it never created it.
okay.
If I click on the Keycloak manifest or the Keycloak resource, yeah, it's just not supported. So what I do is I save those changes and then I'm going to commit this change. I do git add -i u for update. I select one. You don't have to do this part. I will do this part.
Okay.
So then I make this update to Keycloak and quit that, and then I make a commit, git commit -m, removing the removing old fields from Keycloak resource. And I commit that, and then I git push. All right. So after git push, I should be able to come back to ArgoCD and do a refresh on Keycloak app setup. And what it does is it updates the Keycloak from the latest in Git. And now you should see that it's synced and no longer out of sync.
Okay.
Try it
So
on
I
your
have to
side.
git pull.
Yes, git pull, and then make sure you get my commit. Did you receive that latest commit?
Yeah, OpenShift local keycloak app setup keycloak.yaml for deletions. One file
Okay.
change for deletions.
Yeah, we deleted 4 lines.
So
So
now
that's,
I'm going to Argo.
yeah, go to Argo, refresh the Keycloak app setup application.
Okay, that's okay. Sync.
Everything synced?
Yeah,
Yeah,
work.
good. So we fixed that one. Now, let's try to fix the solar operator.
And the solar setup
Okay,
is
solar.
synced now. Just the solar operator which not synced, a volt operator and volt setup.
Okay, so let me think here. All right, so this one, this one is trying to apply 10 pre-release. Um,
Oh yeah, that's what we saw yesterday.
yeah. But the thing is, we have already deployed solar CRDs. And these our 0.9, we're not trying to install the pre-release. I don't like using pre-release versions of things. So I think we want to keep the Solr CRDs the way they are and update the Solr operator to do this a little better. So I go to this one is going to be in Computate GitOps, OpenShift Local, Solr, Applications, Solr, application.yaml. Okay, so this application, it references the Computate GitOps repository and this path within the Computate GitOps repository, which is OpenShift local /solr/solr, and it applies this customization.yaml. So it deploys Solr clouds. And we look at this Solr cloud called Solr, and it's this Solr cloud.yaml. And we specify Solr image tag 9.7.0. We what do we do here? Let me think. Solr, actually, sorry, I'm referencing the wrong thing. Solr operator. CRDs, applications. Solr operator application. We're referencing a custom version of the Solr operator that supports OpenShift. And I have a pull request out to get this merged upstream. But let me look more at this Solr operator helm 0.9.1. Oh, okay. Version. Image tag. Oh, we're referencing my tag for this and the image here. Let's see. I need to answer a question here. Oh. I thought it did. Let me troubleshoot this real quick. One sec. Um, okay, so switching back, let's find the something is deploying this custom resource definitions here. Skip. How do we skip the CRDs? Skip. Helm install. Skip CRDs. Helm option. Let's see. ArgoCD. Skip CRDs. Helm application. Skip CRDs. How do I do that? Helm. Skip CRDs true. I think this will resolve the issue. If we do this, let me just make sure this exists. So I should be able to do OC explain application.spec .source .helm. And yeah, there's a skip CRDs option to skip custom resource definition installation step. So I'm going to add that and git add -i skip CRDs in Solar operator. So I commit this, I push this, and now I go back to ArgoCD and refresh, or maybe do a sync. I'm going to synchronize. It's still trying to.
Yep.
Okay. How's it looking on your side?
Just a minute, so I have to pull.
Do the sync, yeah, pull. And then sync the Solar operator CRD, application.
Okay, model change or an insertion. Okay.
Desired update. Oh.
It's okay, it's working.
Okay. So hopefully that works better from now on. We got a couple more to resolve.
The vault.
Let me check this vault setup one. I want to see what's.
Hang on.
Yeah.
It's vault. No.
What is the back off limit diff? Unseal vault. Okay, so name. I search for unseal vault. So I search in files for name : space unseal dash vault. Let me check. OC explain cron job dot spec dot backoff limit. Field backoff limit does not exist. Okay. So I will delete that field and git add dash I, removing backoff limit from vault unseal vault cron job. Git push. Okay, so go ahead and do a git pull and go to your vault setup and do a refresh.
This was a vault setup.
Yes.
Yeah, it's working now.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we have one more to fix.
Yeah, it's a vault operator.
Vault operator. Let's check the out of sync. Okay, so this one was tricky. I tried to fix this earlier and it didn't work. So let's try again.
The CA bundle. It looks like a key, you know?
Yeah, it's a certificate thing. So let me go into the GitOps and do name vault. This is vault agent injector. Wait, this is a mutating webhook configuration. Let me see what this is. Kind. Where does this come from? Vault operator. This is tricky. Vault operator. This application deploys vault operator version 0.23.0. I wonder what the latest is. Vault operator versions. Zero dot 23. We are pretty far out of date. Helm releases hashicorp.com. And that might be our problem. When it comes to open source, you have to keep up, which can be difficult. 0.31.0. So I might try to do something a little destructive here. Let me try disable AutoSync. And let me try OC git -a application pipe rep vault operator. Okay, so then I do OC-n OpenShift GitOps because this is the namespace, and then edit application / vault - operator. And target revision, let's just try the latest from HashiCorp. So it's 0.31.0. 31.0. So then I edit that. Let me see. Applications. You might need to do AOA. I want to. Oh yeah, that one's AutoSync disabled already. That's good. So then vault operator, it says it's out of sync from 0.31.0 to. So let me try this. Let me do I'll do a sync parameters 0.31.0. Where's that? Manifest 0.31.0. Target revision. So I'm going to do a sync and see how this goes.
Pourquoi il passe pas son permis? Tu pourras me masser un peu là, Denis, j'ai très très mal. T'as fini à quelle heure, toi?
Dans 20 minutes.
Step, stable. Oh, 14. Desired version 4. Oops. Desired update. Oh, all right. So approve, submit. All right, let's see how this is going. Let's go to vault operator. It says progressing, sync okay, but it's still got this vault agent injector config. Let's check on this pod in vault. Workloads, pods. Vault agent injector pending. So let's check the events. Okay, 0/1 nodes are available. Why? Agent injector. What if we delete this pod? Delete. It's been running since September 26th. Okay, so then Now that one's running. All right. And okay. All right. So then let's see how this is going. Refresh. All right, so we just did a vault upgrade and it seems to be okay. But this mutating webhook thing is still out of sync. So how do we resolve that? Fix. Oh, fix. This is typing weird. Fix. What is going on? Fix out of sync error in ArgoCD app. Ignore differences. Did I include any of these? So I tried to fix this in the vault operator application, but it didn't work. So let's see if we can do this better. Vault operator application. Group, kind. Group admission. I think we got to get rid of that /v1. Webhooks. Let's try this. Git add -i. Whoops. Actually, I say that. Whoop, wait. $31. 0.31.0. So first I'm going to mention that we're upgrading vault operator to 0.31.0. And then we get rid of the v/v1 here. Git add -i. Ignoring mutate webhook configuration cert bundle. Okay, and then let's try a refresh. bookmarks, grade. Oh, he did the upgrade path. Hmm. Let's check on this. Sync, synchronize. It still didn't ignore that, so ignore differences in array object field. /0 slash. So this is going to be webhooks /0 /0 slash client config slash CA bundle. Let's try this. Git add dash I. Refresh. Sync. Synchronize. Come on. Still didn't ignore it. Oh man. Ignore differences. Come on. Or diff. Wait, it didn't refresh that. Did I push its status? Refresh. Sync. Prune, replace. Synchronize. Synced. Details. Manifest. Wait, that doesn't up to date. Oh wait. Actually, if I do, let's see, apply -k, bunch of local vault, applications, vault operator, details, manifest. Okay, that's working as well. All right, so do a git pull, and then I'll share this command on Slack of what to run next. Go to the, okay, then go back to, So do a git pull and then OC apply that vault operator. Okay, so I think, anyway, if we look at our applications now, they all looked healthy and synced. Oh, except for this one, solar operator. Let me try doing OC apply -k, a bunch of local solar applications, solar sync, prune, replace, synchronize. Okay. That's all synced. And now everything's looking much healthier. So hopefully it stays like that. Well, I'm going to try to delete my OpenShift local and redeploy it and make sure that everything still looks good. But for now, I think we've cleaned up all the sync errors successfully.